Blockchain as a solution or as an application is really, in my view, no different than other kinds of conventional technologies. It too needs to be constructed in a manner that has built-in risk and security provisions, plus additional requirements that need to address things like consensus mechanisms if it is a public blockchain, or that has to do with keys such as the public and private keys. The data itself has not yet ever been challenged from an immutability point of view, but the identity in several cases has in fact been affected because there have been vulnerabilities in the external layer blockchain that has allowed it to be penetrated and identities assumed within the nodes.
Does that mean that people who say that the blockchain is incorruptible, can't be hacked, can't be changed, that they're wrong?
Well, I've never said that it can't be hacked, because we know that it can, and even before the example that you just gave, there have been at least 5 other examples of where blockchains were hacked. But in those examples, the underlying transaction data, the historical data, was never itself actually modified. It remained immutable and unchanged.
If the data isn't modified, does it matter if they're hacked?
Yes, it does matter, because then new data can be added into the blockchain even though the old data remains intact.
So Eamonn, does that mean that we're going to see a new breed of employee? Or is this a type of technology that for the average employee who doesn't have an IT background, this will sort of hum along in the background?
I think there will be a new breed of employee. I think there will be the same kind of individual user of systems, because the front end of many of these systems at the individual level is going to be quite like the internet portals that people are using today. But what happens after an individual accesses a portal is going to be quite a bit different. And the requirements in order to build out blockchain solutions, applications, and systems, as well as the APIs and the integration that needs to be done, is going to be quite different. In addition, as blockchain becomes ever more embedded in the economy and in society, it's going to generate mountains of data. And so as that data is created, it's going to, in effect, create and enrich another part of the industry, which is, for the most part, around data analytics. So even though we do data analytics today, the opportunities for data analytics going forward are going to be immensely more rich and to require new kinds of analysis and protocols that are going to create opportunities for employees and organizations who are looking to harvest value from that data. So if the wave right now is about blockchain and about constructing blockchain solutions and new business models, I was about to say the echo, but the shout after blockchain is going to be all of the data analytics that come out of it.